Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. I also work as a theoretical economist and operations researcher. Well, today will be my last screencast on optimal economists and implementation of Larsonian Econophysics. My theoretical physics mentor was Dewey B. Larson, and he was also my theoretical economics mentor as well as being my theoretical physics mentor. What I've done over the past 50 years is to make all of his work fully computational, both in physical science and engineering science, and the result is the program you see before you. In previous screencasts, I've covered the microeconomics of individuals, companies, and business sectors and the corresponding graphs, and I've covered the macroeconomics of countries and regions and the corresponding graphs. And so we'll just take a quick look at the utility menu now. There's not much here really. If you need to add a new user, you just click here. If for some reason the file got damaged, the database is damaged, just click there. It should be able to rebuild the file. And if there's a major change, we can import records from previous version of the database. So in the very unlikely event that I send out a new version of this program, and you want to copy back in records from the database, suppose you've added other countries, etc., or other companies, then you click there. Now just looking quickly here, the version number is just 1 and all these zeros here. Now this is licensed, this is my own personal copy. The main thing is the code that I give you, the license code, is keyed to the computer name, to your name and your company name, and you would type that in there. By the way, you have 30 days. Once you install the program, you have 30 days to decide whether or not you want to keep it or not. Of course, if you buy from Amazon, you got to prepay, but if you buy it from us, you wouldn't necessarily have to prepay. You could just use it for 30 days and see if you want to keep it. And that's really about it. Originally, I had this priced at $295, but because of the recession/depression we're in, I've slashed prices for all of TransPower Corporation software down to the bare minimum. In this case, the total program cost is a mere $95 for the whole thing. That still includes our free email support for the life of the program. So take advantage of it. There's nothing quite like this program out there at all. Completely supersedes Keynesian economics and all the other crap that you hear about and your college textbooks. Thanks for your attention, and I look forward to getting your order. Thanks again. We'll continue with other TransPower Corporation software in the coming weeks and months.